Am I financially stable? This is an important question to ask yourself. Today, we're going to talk about the signs that indicate you are financially well. Money can be a stressful topic, but by understanding these signs you can feel more confident about your financial future. Welcome to Investments Momo, the channel that teaches you money lessons, personal finance, and helps you achieve financial independence. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Number 1. You have an adequate emergency fund. One of the most crucial signs of financial stability is having an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your safety net in case of unexpected expenses such as a sudden job loss, medical emergency, or a major home repair. A sufficient emergency fund or insurance can help you tide over the crisis. Otherwise, you may end up borrowing to cover the tab. This can throw you into a cycle of debt and financial insecurity which prevents you from saving. It is recommended to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in your emergency fund. Number 2. You pay your bills on time. A financially stable individual pays their bills on time each month. If there's a balance like on a credit card, they pay it off in full. Paying bills late can trigger nasty late fees. What's more, late payments can lower your credit scores. If you can pay your bills and living expenses without worrying about running out of money, it's a good sign that you are doing well financially. You have a steady income and have created a budget that allows you to cover all of your expenses without going into debt. If you are having trouble paying bills, consider creating a budget, reducing expenses, or increasing your income. Number 3. You have no debt or manageable debt. Debt can be a roadblock to reaching your financial goals, and too much debt could make you financially unstable. If you have little to no debt or manageable debt, it's a good sign that you are doing well financially. This means that you are living within your means and are not relying on credit to cover your expenses. If you do have debt, it's important to have a plan to pay it off. We recommend prioritizing high-interest debt first and making extra payments when possible. Number 4. Regular investing is part of your financial routine. Investing is a great way to increase your wealth and generate passive income. Investing can help you grow your money faster and build a higher net worth through the power of compound interest. If you invest regularly, you can potentially earn higher returns than a non-investor, which can lead to greater wealth accumulation over the long term. If your investments are growing in value and generating income, it's a sign that you're doing well financially and you should feel good about yourself. But we recommend that you diversify your investments and avoid high-risk investments unless you have the expertise to manage them. Number 5. You save regularly even if it's only a little. You might judge your own success or failure by the size of your savings, but the habit of saving itself is more important to your long-term success than the amount you have squirreled away. You're doing better than you might think if you've developed a savings habit. People who save regularly a set percentage from every payment received, whether from salary, freelance work, side gig, are quietly developing good financial habits that will help them achieve the goals they set and weather unexpected hard times. Number 6. Your net worth is growing year after year. Your net worth is a key financial measure that assesses your financial health and progress toward your goals. If your net worth is increasing year after year, it's a positive sign that you're on track to achieve your financial aspirations. It also means that you have more assets than liabilities, giving you greater financial security. You have more resources to deal with emergencies or unexpected expenses, which can help you avoid going into debt. Number 7. FOMO doesn't drive decision-making. FOMO, or fear of missing out, can be a threat to financial stability. It's the modern-day equivalent of keeping up with the Joneses. It means you make financial decisions under peer or societal pressure. Trying to emulate the lifestyle of social media influencers, for example, can ruin your finances if you go into debt buying things you can't afford. Someone who's financially stable, on the other hand, is immune to FOMO. They don't buy things on impulse, or at least not often. And they don't make financial decisions without considering the short and long-term impacts. Number 8. You have adequate insurance coverage. Having adequate insurance coverage is an essential part of financial stability. Having the right coverage in place can help to minimize financial losses in a worst-case scenario. If your home or apartment is damaged because of a fire, for instance, then your insurance policy could help you to rebuild or replace your belongings. If you have insurance for your home, car, and health, and can afford the premiums, that's a good sign that you're doing well financially. Number 9. You don't worry about money. The current financial economy is marked by a rising cost of living, rampant inflation, and a turbulent stock market. While it's not surprising that anyone would feel a little panicked about the world's financial situation, those who are financially healthy know they will be fine. Money worries can keep you awake at night if you're worried about bills or debt. Financially stable people are not stressed about money because they know they are in control. They approach money with a calm and confident attitude. If you recognize that your financial situation is not as stable as you would like, it is important to think about how you can improve it. Again, it all comes down to making smart financial decisions, like sticking to a budget, saving and avoiding debt. The more proactive you are in making your money work for you, the sooner money worries will go away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like.